Hi everyone, welcome back to the session. So today we're gonna be covering up the top 10 questions of the Python and let's begin it, right? So here we go. The first question says, what is a Python actually? Very first thing that gonna be asked in your interview. So the Python is a very popular and high level programming language known for its simplicity, right? And readability, right? That simply so you can easily read it, and it is used for the web development, data analytics and AI and more. What are the key features if you're gonna learn it? Then I would say that the easy to learn, interpreted, dynamically typed and versatile, right? All those things are there. How do you write a hello world in Python programming? So print in the fun bracket hello world, you can write it. What are Python data types? So int, float, string, bool, list, tuple, set, text. What is a list in Python? So my underscore list in the bracket 123 apple, write it down. What is a function in Python? So function is a block of reusable code that performs a specific task. So that the performing a specific task, we use the block of reusable code, right? So like that we have a greet, alias and greet name and hello. That thing's gonna be printing up for you. What is a loop in Python? So loop is really important, I would say. So repeating a kind of block you have to write for the multiple times. So that what the loop is all about, right? So there are lots of type of there are three types of loop. I got three or four maybe in Python, right? Two, sorry. So for loop and while loop in Python. So I triple over sequence and repeat as long as condition is true for the while loop. And what is the if else statement in the Python? So it's a conditional statement that if something condition is true, then the printing for that statement. Otherwise, else one will be followed. What are the Python modules and packages? So a file containing Python code that you can reuse it, right? So a collection of modules. And what is a dictionary in Python? So dictionary stores the data as value here. It's unordered and changeable, right? Need more. That's what. And we have covered 10 questions of the Python. Again, looking for the some other thing. So what is the difference between is and double equal to in Python? So double equals to checks if two values are equal, and is checks if two reference point to the same object in memory, right? And what is a Python non-type? So non is a special data type in Python, representing the absence of a value or a null value, right? It is used to signify nothing or no value here. And what is a list comprehension? A concise way to create a list. It's a shorter syntax for creating a new list based on the value of an existing list here. What is the difference between deep copy and shallow copy? I'm first time actually dealing with this question. Shallow copies are reference to the original object. Shallow copies, always remember, a deep copy creates a new object that recursively copies all the object. What is a Python built-in function? Data structure. So list, tuple, set, dictionary are there. So list is a order, mutable collection. Tuple is a order, immutable collection. Set is an unordered collection of unique items. Dictionary means that the unordered collection of key pairs, key value pairs. How do you handle exception in Python? So try, accept, and finally. So try, accept, and finally these things. What is the with statement used for in Python? So it is used to wrap the execution of block of code with method defined by context manager, like handling file operations. What is the difference between break, continue, and pass? So break exits the loop entirely, continues skip the current iteration and continues with the next one. Pass does nothing, acts as a placeholder. How does Python handle memory management here? So Python has an automatic garbage collector to manage memory and free up memory by deleting unused object. It uses a reference counting and cyclic garbage collector. What is that? Automatic garbage collector to manage memory management and free up memory by deleting unused object. It uses a reference counting and cyclic garbage, right? Reference counting and cyclic garbage. What are the Python decorator? So decorator is special function that modify the behavior of another function or method. They are used with the at the red symbol. So guys, we have discussed the 20 question in Python, and hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll come back again. Till then, that's all of my time for the today, and see you in the next catch you in the next one. Bye.